Hi, I'm attorney Pedro Juarez. I'm a personal injury attorney here in Boston, Massachusetts. And in this video, I wanted to talk about whether your car insurance company can ask you to give a recorded statement. And the short answer is yes, yes, they can. Massachusetts, unlike a lot of other states, Massachusetts, the auto policy is actually standardized. So everybody has to accept the same auto policy, the same auto contract. And within that policy, within that contract, there is a clause. It's called the cooperation clause, where you have to cooperate with your own insurance company. Now, this may be different if you're making a claim against the other person's insurance company, if you're not at fault for the accident. But if you're making a claim for any type of claim against your own car insurance company, you are required to cooperate with them. And one of the things that they may ask you to do is to provide a recorded statement. Um, Now, they may also ask you to perform or appear at an examination under oath. It's basically like a deposition where there's going to be a court reporter. You're going to be under oath, and they're going to ask you questions. That actual language of an examination under oath is in the policy. There is no recorded statement line. However, it is very similar. And it's actually less invasive. A recorded statement is usually done over the phone. An EUO, as they call it, or deposition, is done in person. So, in terms of efficiency, recorded statement is probably the better way to go if they give you the option. But typically, they start with a recorded statement and then they move on to an EUO if they think that there is some questions about fraud or there's questions about coverage or something else that they might be investigating. So if your insurance company does ask you for a recorded statement, be mindful that you are required to give one if it's your own insurance company. But you may want to consult an attorney to see, whether you need to actually give it, or if there's another way that you can satisfy their inquiries if they're investigating something. But just be aware that you are required to cooperate with your own insurance company. Any other questions? Let me know. Thank you.